Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make shorter or longer the images duration in CapCut PC. Alright, if you want to adjust the image duration in the same length at once, you have to go to menu and select settings and select edit. So you can do it before you add elements to your tracks. So just change the image duration to, for instance, just going to change to 0.0 second, click save, and just add the images you like to edit. Yeah, so the images in the same length. And if you want to change the image duration again, you have to make the new project, or you have to delete the clips before and go to setting again and set the image duration again, for instance 0.0 second, and add the images again. So that's how to make the clips in the same length for shorter or longer. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.